the pumpkin challenge day.
Yay!
13, I think.
Yeah.
Hey, we almost matched.
We
like
do.
kind of a blue-green.
Oh my gosh.
Wow, we did not plan this.
No. All right. What are we doing?
So we're gonna make pumpkin ice cream.
Mhm.
Pumpkin no-churn ice cream specifically.
No-Churn.
No-churn. Like you don't need an ice cream machine to make it.
Oh. Ice creamless, machineless.
Yeah. And I brought Sam in for this video because he's kind of the ice cream expert.
Ice cream. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna pour our heavy cream into our nice chilled bowl.
I want everything to be cold. We have a can of sweetened condensed milk here. Wow, that's thick.
We're just gonna whisk this until it gets kind of thick.
So then we've got our 1 cup of pumpkin here in a bowl.
Yeah. And you're gonna wanna whip this to about soft peaks.
Oh, you know, I was just thinking about how last year we made ice cream while we were out of town. I'll link that video
Yeah.
up here. And we whipped it by hand.
Yeah.
That was an arm workout.
It was so fun.
What's that? That's about 5 teaspoons. Yeah, I know.
Try to make me do all the work. No.
That's the point of having you here. 2 teaspoons of vanilla. We're doing a tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice. Oh boy.
Smells so good. I want to make salted caramel ice cream next.
We could have made like caramel pumpkin. It could be like a little. I'm just gonna stir this all together.
Ah man, it smells so good. It's really probably to cover up the real pumpkin flavor.
Yeah.
Because actual pumpkin puree is not that great.
It tastes like baby
Everyone
food.
craves pumpkin spice, not pumpkin.
Yes, like the cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's what it looks like. Fine, we'll just add it. If this all turns out horrible, it's Samuel's fault.
Yep, bad influence.
Gonna add the pumpkin mixture to. Oops, what did I do?
No, that's for me. Okay.
To the whipped cream.
Mm-hmm. Mmm. All right.
Gonna scrape down the bowl.
Delicious.
Is it done?
Yeah.
Okay.
Huh?
That's good.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah.
Probably be better when it's frozen.
Oh yeah. Oh, we're gonna toss this in the freezer for 4 hours?
At least.
Probably about 4 hours.
Ooh. Okay.
Woo!
We're back with the ice cream.
Oh yeah, we forgot our spoons. That's not how you scoop.
Okay, you scoop it. I'll video. Okay. Ooh.
Here we go.
You gotta let it thaw a little bit.
Yeah, so you can scoop it nicer.
Ooh.
It's so close, but it's just too frozen.
Just maybe like let it sit out for 10 minutes after you freeze it.
Yeah, smells good.
Mmm.
Yep.
It tastes like pumpkin pie. That's
Yeah.
so good.
I think it's better than normal like pumpkin ice cream.
Yeah, yeah.
That's so good.
And now we're going to pick tomorrow's dessert. What day was this?
I don't know.
I can't even remember.
Pumpkin blondie's weird. You made those.
I know. It's okay. Pumpkin ice cream. You can't make that again. Pumpkin bundt cake. That's what I just made, right? Yeah.
What are we doing next? Or what are you doing next?
Pumpkin cake balls / truffles.
Ooh, truffles? Okay.
Like,
yeah.
like where they don't have a stick, so it's not really a cake pop.
Yeah.
That'll be a good one.
Yeah.
Because I have a leftover cake.
Yeah, from the pumpkin cake.
Oh.
Quite convenient.
Well, anyways, thanks so much for baking with us today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and click the subscribe button. And what should they comment, Samuel?
They should comment their favorite flavor of ice cream.
Ooh, that's a good one.
Yeah, thank you.
I think I like the brownie ones or like chocolate ones.
Mm-hmm.
And I'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.